So let's now solve this other problem. Problem number 9 of our age problems topic in algebra. So this is the problem. The sum of the ages of two cousins, Judel and Prince, is 31 years. 3 years ago, Judel was 4 times the age of Prince. How old are they now? Again, let us organize the information given this problem in a table. So I will draw another 3 by 3 table size. So this is our 3 columns, and this is our 3 rows. So let's write down the names mentioned in the problem. We have Judel, and we have Prince. So these are the cousins. Then we have the sum of the ages of two cousins, Judel and Prince, is. So again, is here says that it's their present ages, the ages now. So we can have here ages, their ages now. Then another sentence says that 3 years ago. Okay, so 3 years ago. But before that, let X be Judel's age now. We can use 2 variables or a single variable. So it's up to you. So it says that the sum of the ages of 2 cousins, Judel and Prince, is 31. So how will you formulate equation out of this statement? So if you have difficulties of solving this in a single variable, then you can use 2 variables to represent different ages of Judel and also Prince. So if you let Y be Prince age now, from this statement that the sum of the ages, so sum of the ages means if you add the 2 ages, X plus Y equal to 31. Okay? So we can express Y in terms of X by subtracting both sides by X. So when you subtract both sides by X, so we have, so the purpose is to express Y in terms of X. So we have positive X cancels with the negative X. So therefore, on the left side, we have Y equal to 31 minus X. So in other words, this age of Prince can be represented also as 31 minus X. This is Prince age now. So in this case, if we use X, then we can solve this problem using a single variable by using this equivalent. So if now Judel is X years old and Prince is Y years old, which is equal to 31 minus X, then 3 years ago, okay, so 3 years ago, so past, sorry, past, if Judel now is X, it means that 3 years ago, so let's write here ages, 3 years ago. So if Judel is X years old now, then 3 years ago, so X minus 3. Okay? Now, 3 years ago, if Prince now is 31 minus X or Y, so you can say Y minus 3, right? Y minus 3, 3 years ago. But Y is equal to 31 minus x. So we can rewrite this as our y is 31 minus x, then minus 3. Okay, so 31 minus x minus 3. So 31 minus 3 is equal to 28 minus x. Okay? Then the statement says that 3 years ago, so I will rewrite that statement. So 3 years ago, so 3 years ago, Judel was 4 times the age of Prince. Okay? So, 3 years ago. So, 3 years ago. What is Judel's age 3 years ago? So, Judel was x minus 3. That was 3 years ago. Then the word was, so this statement was means equals. So, we can translate this as equals. So, was means equals. 4 times. So, 4 times. So, this is this one times the age of Prince. So what's Prince's age 3 years ago? So 3 years ago, age or the age of Prince was y minus 3, or simply 28 minus x. So 28 minus x. So this is now the equation that we have formulated out of this statement. So simplifying this equation, x minus 3 equals 4 times 28. 4 times 28 is 100. So apply distributive property of multiplication. So 4 times 28 is 112. Then minus 4 times negative x is negative 4x. Then to solve for x, let's put x on the left side and the rest on the right side. And to do that, we have to add both sides by 4x. So add this by 4x. Then to eliminate constant on the left side, we add this by 3. Okay, so we add this by 3. So x plus 4x is equal to 5x. Then negative 3, positive 3 cancels out, equal to 0, equal to 112 plus 3 is equal to 115. Then we have minus 4x, we have positive 4x, cancels out, equal to 0. So now we can solve x by dividing 5 both sides of the equation. So 5 at the numerator cancels out with the 5 at the denominator, leaving x on the left side, and on the right side we have 115 divided by 5 is equal to 23. Okay, so x is equal to 23. So this is, as mentioned here, this is Judel's age now. Judel's age now. Alright, so to solve for Prince's age now, so Prince's age is equal to y, or simply 31 minus x. So 31 minus x equal to 31 minus x is 23. So therefore, 31 minus x, which is Prince's age now, is equal to 8. So this is Prince's age now. Okay, so let us check. Now let us check. So how to check? Actually, I'll check here. I'll put the checking here in this part. So we have, I'll summarize here. We have Judel's age now. Judel's age now is equal to 23. Okay? Then Prince age now is equal to 8. Then 3 years ago, so 3 years ago, so what happens, or what is the situation 3 years ago? So 3 years ago, if Judel's age now is 23, so 3 years ago, it means that this 23, okay, 3 years ago, x is 23. So 23 minus 3, so 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. So 3 years ago, Judel was 20 years old. Then Prince age 3 years ago is 28 minus x. So what is 28 minus x equal to 8, right? Then this is Prince age now, but 3 years ago, so meaning 3 years ago, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So 3 years ago, Prince age was 5. Now let's check if 3 years ago, Judel was 4 times the age of Prince. So this 20 is just the same as 4 times 5, right? 20 is just 4 times 5. So you see, so Prince age is 5 years old. That was 3 years ago. And if you look at this, 20 is just 4 times of 5, right? 4 times of 5 is 20. So it means that Judel is really 4 times the age of Prince 4 years ago. So it means that our calculated values here are correct. So we can conclude, therefore, so we'll answer this question, how old are they now? Therefore, now Judel is 23 years old and Prince is 8 years old. Okay, so this is our final answer. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you may leave your questions in the comment section below. And once again, just to re-announce to you that my tutorial services in mathematics are still open. So far, we have MWF filled up in the afternoon schedules. Then the rest of the schedules, morning of MWF is still open. And TTH schedules are still open also. So reserve your slots as soon as possible in order for you to be able to secure your preferred time schedule. Just contact this number below, that is 0977-846-0252. So I'm offering face-to-face tutorial or online tutorial. You just indicate when you ask question, how are we going to arrange the schedules or whatever questions you may have, you just leave it in the comment section. So you can indicate whether you want face-to-face or online. If you are around Pulo area in Cabuyao, then it's possible that we can do the face-to-face, but outside this area, we can do the online tutorial. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much and have a nice day, everyone. Bye.